trading bot, and real-time analytics dashboard. What you're seeing here is the Radar overview, our command center for tracking live blockchain activity. In the past 30 days, we've extracted 28.45 ETH in net revenue. That's a 14.2% increase from last month. Our execution engine has successfully completed 1,402 sandwich attack transactions with an average ROI of 0.02 ETH per transaction. Notice our failure rate. Just 12 transactions reverted out of thousands attempted. That's less than 1%. This is thanks to Flashbot's integration, which ensures failed transactions never hit the chain, saving us gas costs. Our system maintains a lightning-fast 14 millisecond RPC latency with a 42 millisecond Flashbot's relay time. Speed is everything in MEV. The cumulative extracted value chart shows steady growth over time, demonstrating consistent profitability as our AI models learn and adapt to market conditions. Now let's dive into the live mempool view, where the magic happens in real time. Our WebSocket-based mempool scanner monitors pending transactions before they are confirmed. Each row represents a profit opportunity we've identified. Look at the first transaction, a Uniswap V3 swap with over 5% slippage. Our system calculated a potential 0.45 ETH profit, and the AI immediately flagged it for sandwich execution. Here's another one on SushiSwap, 2% slippage, 0.05 ETH profit potential, and our system chose a front-run strategy. Notice this Curve Finance transaction with negative MEV. Our AI marked it as ignored, protecting our capital from unprofitable trades. But here's the impressive part, that 14% slippage transaction on Uniswap 5.2 with a 2.10 ETH profit opportunity. Our system has already compiled a Flashbots bundle targeting block $19 million, 483,013. On the right, you can see the bundle structure. A front-run transaction, the victim's transaction in the middle, and our back-run transaction. All atomic and executed privately through Flashbots. Estimated profit, 2.05 ETH after the 0.05 ETH minor bribe. Finally, here's our AI Neural Network tab, powered by local Ollama language models. We intercept raw messages from Telegram and Discord channels where new tokens are promoted. This example shows someone hyping Doge 4 with claims of locked liquidity and renounced contracts. Within milliseconds, our LLM analyzes the message and generates a prediction matrix. It identified extreme bullish sentiment but assigned a 2 out of 10 honeypot risk score. Contract audits show the mint function is disabled and ownership is renounced, both positive signs. However, a liquidity lock was detected. Most critically, the model recommends initiate sniper protocol with 94.2% confidence. This allows us to enter early on legitimate opportunities while avoiding rug pulls and scams. This is algorithmic trading powered by AI, where humans can't compete with speed.